I thought I better put these properties of logarithms back up, the product, quotient, and power properties of logarithms. And the one that seems apropos to us for 45 is the quotient property. You might want to look at the product property. And it doesn't matter if I have log base 5 or the natural log, which is log base e. I still do the same thing. So let's see, I look at the quotient property and it says that I can write the log base 5 of 1 over 250 as, it's the same thing as log base 5 of 1 minus log base 5 of 250. So my desired result is 1, and the logarithm is an exponent. What exponent do I give 5 to make 1? Well, it's 0. So this is a 0 here. And then, so I'm not going to write that anymore. And then I can split this up, right? I can say the log base 5 of, well, let's say 25 times 10. Okay? Because, when I multiply 5 by itself, I don't get 250 in any scenario. However, I can say I do get 25 in some scenarios, and I don't get 10, but I can handle the 25. So what does this mean to me? Well, I look at the product property, and the product property says that I can split these up as an addition. All right, and I do that. So I say minus log. Well, you know what? I better put that negative out in front because it's going to affect both things. The log base 5 of 25 plus the log base 5 of 10. And I suppose I could make them both be negative. So if my desired result is 25, what's the exponent for 5? That's what I'm asking here. And the answer is it's 2. So I have a negative 2, because I'm going to distribute this negative sign over both, okay? And then, log base 5 of 10, no, I don't know what to do with that. And so I say, okay, we're making progress here. It doesn't look like this yet, but we're closer. And we say, well, you know what, I think I could split this up again. I could say minus the log base 5 of 2 and 5, right? Maybe I should have done this all at once, but I want to make it as clear. We're kind of thinking about this. So we're saying negative 2, and it's going to be negative log base 5 of 2 plus the log base 5 of 5. All right, so they're both going to be negative. We'll say negative 2. I don't know how to make 5 into a 2. It's going to be something. It's going to be something less than 1. 1 would make it 5. So 0 would make it. 0. So it's going to be negative, right? It's going to be because 0 would make it 1. No, wait. Sorry. It's got to be bigger than 0. 0 would make it 1. I want a 2. So it's still not going to be negative. It'd be 1.2 or something. 1.3. I don't know. So we still have our log base 5 of 2, and my exponent for 5, if I want 5, is 1, right? So then I'm going to say negative 1. I know it says positive, but there's a negative outside waiting. So negative 1. And now I put the negative 2 and the negative 1 together, and it looks exactly like the other side. And so everything's good. That's exactly what's on the other side. I got there a little clumsily, but that's how we are when you start out, and I guess I could have said 2 times 125. That would have been better, huh? And then I said, 2, I can't do anything with that, but I can say this is a 3. I guess that would have been cleaner. But we got there, and you can get there too if you just keep working at it.